Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is entitled Road Ragers Think It's Okay to Brake Check the Police. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they are talking about and how this ends, man.
Don't touch me, sir. Don't touch me.
You're both gonna get tased.
I'm sorry, but don't touch me. We did not touch you, so
We didn't touch you at all. You in the drive, you brake check me. You ain't have no lights on. What you following me for? You brake check me.
Put your hands on the car. Put your other hand on the car. You're gonna get tased.
Sergeant Diaz from the Orange County Sheriff's Office found himself in a tense highway encounter. While in an unmarked vehicle, he was suddenly cut off by an aggressive driver showing no regard for road safety. Forced to act quickly, Sergeant Diaz immediately turned on his body camera, documenting the unfolding situation as he called in for backup. With other units en route, here is what happened next.
County tractor. He just rolled down his window. I can ID him. He's occupied 2 times with a black female as well. County tractor. He's pulling into the Lowe's parking lot. I'm in an unmarked vehicle and haven't lit him up yet, so I'll advise if he stops.
Sorry, I'm about to get off that now.
Alright, the car's put his flashes on. He's gonna have to deal with it. Get over here! Get over here! Both of you, get over here! Get over here! Get on! Get over there!
Don't
Put
touch
your
me.
hands over here!
Well, don't
Put
touch
your
me,
hands
bro.
over.
For what?
Get out!
What?
Get away from the car.
You brake check me. I got you all on film. What the fuck you grabbing me
You
for?
brake check
Don't
him.
grab me,
Get
bro.
over here. Okay,
Grab me
stop.
for? What you grabbing me for? You got out with your gun out on me. The fuck you grabbing
Put
me,
it
bro?
down.
Hey, bro.
I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Okay, look,
You
look,
follow me. You take me. You're in the
brake check
fast
him.
lane.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Excuse me. Don't touch me, sir. Don't touch me.
You're both gonna get tased.
I'm sorry, but don't touch me. We did not touch you, so
We didn't touch you at all. You in the drive, you brake
right in
check
front
me.
of the house.
You ain't have no lights on. What you following me for? You brake check me.
Just don't worry about it.
Well, I'm
This
not
last
gonna
time
worry
you
about it. I
have.
got you all on film, bro.
That's the same thing. I don't care. Don't worry about it. You're gonna put your hands on the thing. You're gonna put your hands on the car because you're resisting. Put your hands on the car. Put your hands on the car. And you back up too. Put your hands on the car. Put your other hand on the car. You're gonna get tased. You too. You're not. Come over here.
What you grab out?
Put your hands.
Y'all ain't learned y'all fucking lesson yet.
Put your hands on the car. Stop resisting.
This bullshit. You following me? What the fuck you arrested up for? She didn't do shit.
Yeah, I didn't do anything.
All this shit you doing illegal, bro. You following me?
She probably definitely gonna get maybe obstruction or something, or interference or something like that, because when the cop was trying to deal with him, she kept getting in the middle. Like, you can't do that. Nah, don't work like that.
With no fucking lights, you brake checking me? I got you all on film, bro.
I've been recording the entire
You're on
time.
the fucking phone. You're on the phone in the fast lane, bro.
You know what you did? You tried to cut me off and run me off the road.
What the fuck you brake check me?
Take your little purse off.
You a and you don't got no.
You got your driver's license on you? You got your driver's license on you?
Take your purse off.
Or is it in your little purse?
I'll get it. Go here.
He wow. Yeah. Take your purse off.
Shut your face.
You set your foot.
Stop.
Hey, we're just saying,
No, we're gonna go sit right here.
That's not fair. That's not fair. It's really not fair.
You're being detained for resisting without violence.
I wasn't resisting.
You didn't respond to my lawful commands.
Come on.
You're in the way of my investigation.
I have to call my mom.
All right, we'll get all that done.
Oh, I bet you do.
Car gang, sorry,
No,
it's
it's
getting
illegal
towed.
search.
It's getting
No,
towed.
the fuck
It's
it
getting
ain't.
towed.
You
Stop f***ing if I get them mad, motherfucker.
Chill out, dude. You're gonna make this bad on yourself.
I ain't doing shit, bro.
You need to calm down. This is only going to get worse for you the more you act up, so just chill out. When you turn around and you go to spit in a girl's face, that's not very polite. Just calm down.
I'm calm.
All right.
I'm calm, sir. He ain't even let.
Hey, face that way.
Yes,
face
sir.
that way.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Yes,
listen.
sir.
You need to take a deep breath. You understand?
I didn't even
Listen.
spit on her, bro.
Hey. Calm down.
I'm trying to talk to you,
I know.
That's it.
Relax. You just need to take a deep breath.
Yes, sir.
You need to bring it down.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because you're not going to get anywhere the more you keep yelling.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Can you take my watch off for me?
Where's it at, bro?
Right here. Thank you. Now that I'm coming, can I tell you something?
In just a minute.
Okay,
Let us get organized, find out where we're going to put you.
Why is she getting arrested, though? She didn't do nothing but we was recording. She didn't do nothing. He got out the car with a gun, sir.
Hey, did you see when I got here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I don't have any of those answers for right now, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right. We're going to see if we can't get you in the car, sit down, and then they'll be able to get you some answers, okay? You're not under arrest, you're just detained.
That's fine. I don't know what you're searching my car for. This is an illegal search.
Hey,
Where's your driver's license?
It's in there. It's in my pocket. My bad. It's in my pocket. But why is she arrested? Why are you arresting her?
She's being detained. I want you to listen very carefully. Very carefully, because it's all been recorded on my BWC, the entire incident. So I want you to be, so you're on the same page.
Okay. We can put them in.
She's in the one over there. So just so you know, you tried to run me over the road.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
I recorded on my BWC. I had to slam on my
I have
brakes.
recorded too. Bro, you're on the phone.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Bro,
I'm not going to argue with
I'm
you.
not going to argue with you.
But right
You got
now,
to talk with your gun.
we're
For
resisting
what?
without violence.
You ain't learned shit. I ain't
Right
even
now,
get
we're
out with no
resisting without
violence.
violence. And battery on a law enforcement officer, possibly.
Battery?
Hey,
You
face
bull-
that way. Face that way. Face that way.
That's bullshit.
Listen.
Yes, sir.
You are going to get nowhere if you do this. You understand?
Yes, sir.
I get you're pissed. But if you want to have a civil conversation,
I would like
you
that.
have to bring it down.
Yes, sir.
Because I promise you it's not going to end well for you, and I want to see you be able to get the answers that you need. You understand?
Yes, sir.
She's not under arrest.
Thank you. That's all I
She's
wanted.
hanging out.
Yes, sir.
Just like
That's a good cop. That's a good cop. 100%. That's a good cop. He reminds me of a lot of myself when I was a correction officer. He's a bring it down. You know what I'm saying? You could, when people are, up here, you can try to find a common ground. You know what I mean? And try to de-escalate the situation. Of course, he's mad or whatever the case may be. He going to jail, whatever. But you can definitely talk to some of these guys and reason with them. Now, somebody that you don't want to, that is somebody that's just not listening at all, all right, fuck it. You gonna get hit with everything in the book because you're not even trying to, yeah, I'm done. You know what I'm saying? You could be very stern, but then you can also get them to de-escalate. You know what I mean? Because that is what you're supposed to do. De-escalate the situation.
everybody's detained for right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Have a seat. Just swing your feet in. I'll get it. You got it?
Yes, sir.
She's going to turn the air up, okay?
All right.
It's up there, so what's your name?
Zaria.
And who's the guy with you?
Fiance.
What's his name?
Levante. And I don't understand why.
Is that your car or his?
That's my car. Both of our cars, basically.
Fiance, did y'all see a ring? I don't know if I seen that.
Here, do me a favor. Come over here and stand. Stop walking around. You need to listen, okay? I told you to stop walking around. Don't walk away.
I wasn't. Where am I gonna go, sir? I'm not walking.
I think you're walking that direction,
I'm
didn't
walking
you?
around in a circle.
I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not trying to argue with you either.
Well, then stop talking.
You're talking to me. I can't respond to your question, sir.
You say you don't want to argue. You're still
I'm not
talking, aren't you?
arguing.
Here, I got an ID. I got both of them. It's her car.
Because I thought it was a Keisha Henderson, but unless I ran it wrong.
Is that his ID on the back of the car?
That might be his. I think he grabbed it out of his pocket.
Wait, he driving an unmarked minivan? Oh yeah, that's different, boy. I ain't see that one before.
Is there like who's in charge?
The sergeant that pulled you over. He's the one who pulled you guys over.
Can I speak to him?
When he comes over here.
What's your name?
Deputy Rios. Here, come over here. Step in.
Can I please have my phone? I need to call my mom.
What started as an intense highway encounter quickly escalated when this couple chose the wrong target. In the end, they faced serious consequences, including charges for resisting arrest. Remember, reckless actions like these can have lasting repercussions.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.